Did you know that over 90% of retail traders lose money in Forex? But with the right strategies and funding options, you could flip that statistic in your favor. When it comes to trading Forex, having a funded account can make all the difference between success and failure. A funded account gives you the financial backing to trade with confidence, reducing the emotional stress that comes with trading your own money. In the Forex community, funded accounts are seen as a badge of honor, a sign that you've made it as a trader. But what exactly are funded Forex accounts, and how do they work? Essentially, a funded account is one where a proprietary trading firm or investor provides you with the capital to trade, usually in exchange for a share of your profits. This setup allows you to focus on what you do best, trade, while someone else takes care of the financial risks. Having a funded account can also give you access to better trading conditions, such as higher leverage and lower fees. This can be a game changer for traders who are just starting out or struggling to grow their accounts. Let's face it, Forex trading can be tough, especially when you're starting out. The majority of retail traders struggle to make consistent profits, and it's not uncommon to see traders blow their accounts in a matter of weeks or even days. One of the biggest hurdles to overcome is funding, or rather, the lack of it. Without enough capital, you're limited in the trades you can take, and even a single bad trade can wipe out your entire account. For many traders, funding is the biggest barrier to entry in Forex. Unless you have a large sum of money to invest, it can be difficult to get started. Even if you do have some capital to play with, it's hard to grow your account quickly, especially when you're still learning the ropes. And then there's the psychological aspect of trading with your own money. When you're using your own capital, every loss feels like a personal failure, and it can be difficult to take risks or adapt to changing market conditions. The fear of losing money can be paralyzing, causing you to hesitate or make impulsive decisions that ultimately cost you more in the long run. This is where funded accounts come in. They take the emotional stress out of trading, allowing you to focus on what really matters, making profitable trades. Another common issue traders face is the lack of access to quality trading tools and resources. Without the right software, data, and analytics, it's hard to make informed trading decisions, and you're more likely to rely on gut instinct rather than solid market analysis. When you don't have the right tools, you're at a significant disadvantage compared to other traders who do. This is why funding is so important. It gives you the means to invest in yourself and your trading career. One of the biggest misconceptions about funded Forex accounts is that they are only available to experienced traders. While it's true that many proprietary trading firms do look for traders with a proven track record, there are still options available for new traders who are just starting out. There are various programs and platforms that offer funded accounts to traders of all levels, from complete beginners to seasoned pros. These programs usually involve some kind of evaluation process, where you'll be tested on your trading skills and knowledge before being awarded a funded account. Some programs may require you to complete a trading challenge or demo trade for a certain period, while others may offer a more straightforward application process. Whatever the case, the key is to do your research and find a program that aligns with your trading goals and style. One popular option for new traders is to join a Forex trading community or academy. These communities usually offer training, support, and access to funded accounts for their members. Another option is to look for proprietary trading firms that offer funded accounts to new traders. These firms usually have a more rigorous application process, but the rewards can be well worth it. Some traders also choose to join a trading competition or contest, where the winner is awarded a funded account. These competitions can be a great way to prove your skills and get noticed by potential investors or proprietary trading firms. While getting a funded Forex account can be competitive, it's not impossible. With persistence, hard work, and the right strategy, you can increase your chances of success. So, what exactly is the secret to getting a funded Forex account overnight? Well, it's not about some magic formula or get-rich-quick scheme. Rather, it's about understanding the requirements and processes involved and then creating a solid plan to achieve your goals. For me, getting a funded Forex account was a game changer. It allowed me to focus on my trading rather than worrying about the financial risks. And the results spoke for themselves. My trading account grew rapidly, and I was able to achieve the financial freedom I'd always dreamed of. I'm not alone in my success, either. I've seen many other traders achieve similar results using the same strategies and methods. Of course, it's not easy, and there are no guarantees. But with the right mindset and approach, anything is possible. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? Getting a funded Forex account is within your reach, as long as you're willing to put in the work and effort. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced pro, there are options available to you. Remember, funded Forex accounts are not just for the elite few. They are available to anyone who's willing to learn, adapt, and persevere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your experiences about funded Forex accounts. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more Forex trading tips and strategies.